Welcome back. Today's letter is to Stuart Russell, Professor of Computer Science at UC Berkeley. His life's work focuses on building AI that is provably beneficial to human beings. Dear Stuart, you've warned that new technologies make it possible to wipe out a city at the press of a button. But haven't we lived with that power since Hiroshima? And history shows us that mass death does not require advanced technology. The Rwandan genocide killed nearly 1 million human beings in 4 weeks with machetes. Isn't carnage just carnage and the machinery never really the true cause? Surely the mentality is. In 2005, 500,000 children starved to death in Niger, while warehouses hoarded grain. Nature wasn't the reason, policy was, indifference. The current global policy on antiretrovirals is one that will condemn millions of people to unnecessary deaths. We have the drugs to treat them, but we have chosen not to give them. That took only seconds of human indifference, not malice, not algorithms, just one moment of not caring about other human beings. So I wonder, is it really new technology we should fear, or our existing human values? And if companies building our assistants, chatbots, and future workers are the same companies building AI for the military, Google, Anthropic, OpenAI, then shouldn't the problem we fear be ourselves, not artificial intelligence? My second question to you regards the duty of care. When McKinsey, the consultancy firm, compiled a list of Mohammed bin Salman's critics, and one of the names, Jamal Khashoggi, was brutally murdered, the company said it was horrified the list had been misused. A federal judge ruled McKinsey had no duty of care, no one was accountable, the victims were simply collateral. Khashoggi's widow tried to seek justice, so did Omar Abdulaziz, whose family were tortured. But the court's message was clear: we owe you nothing. And yet these are the same consultancy cultures now embedded in public health systems like the NHS, in defence contracts, in policy and data governance, the very places where duty of care needs to be foundational. Which makes me ask, how can we demand a duty of care towards AI when we ourselves refuse to extend it to other human beings? How can we expect an intelligence that we raise to be ethical, compassionate and safe if we continue to normalize hierarchies of worth, the commodification of health, the commodification of war, and the opacity of financial systems that allow cartels to control everything from food to cobalt with almost no public oversight? Isn't the sophistication of the technology irrelevant if human civilization itself refuses to protect the vulnerable? Respectfully. Our next letter will be to Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple. To anyone who listened, thank you.